Hi guys, it's Valerie here with today's video and all the latest news from Hollywood. Colossus to return for X-Men Days of Future Past. Stick around after this.
If you are just tuning in, we are going to breaking news out of Washington.
Again, this is a developing story. There has been an explosion.
Absolutely shocking.
Officials searching for answers as to who, what, or why this.
We are also getting unconfirmed reports of explosions.
Was used as a diversion.
Got Mr. One!
The situation has changed completely.
What the hell is happening?
Move! Somebody tell me something!
Tell me how much time I have.
We gotta go! The casting process for X-Men Days of Future Past continues apace, with Daniel Cudmore's Colossus, the latest character, confirmed to be making a return. The mutant with the ability to transform his skin into metal is one of a number of returning characters from the original movies. Meanwhile, two newcomers have also been added in the form of Boo Boo Stewart and Fan Bingbing. No words as yet on who Stewart will be playing, but Bingbing has been cast as Blink, a teleporting mutant. Directed by Bryan Singer and co-starring Jennifer Lawrence, James McAvoy and Michael Fassbender, alongside a veritable wealth of old favorites. X-Men Days of Future Past will arrive in cinemas in 2014. That's all for today. Like us on Facebook. See you next time.